My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Give me, I don't want to hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. Adhdjs. My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Give me, I don't want to hurt nobody, but there is something that I must just for you, flex, who got the gat? Niggas wanna flex, who got the gat?
Listen, massive. I don't care if you're on the left, I don't care if you're on the right, I don't care if you're down the center, at the back, or the front. I want you to make some noise for this DJ, because he hasn't even finished his set yet. And boy, it's going off.
When a gunman back me up round the corner.
Way BD.
Every time K-Dot spoke to a read, spit one bar, everything get. I will punch MC straight in the face, but man, I don't want whip to get. Every time I spray, get Billy get mad, not for a fact, everything get. A couple MCs will really get slapped, a couple of my cuts will knock man's block off. Eskimo dance, Bassline festival, both of them got. Simmer that Glastonbury, your festival. I bet them what did they get. Scum for my day, if man, I got a set to kill, don't know everything yet. If they got a problem, it's their stop, not ours. Man will back it if anything pop off. Promoters used to pump, man couldn't afford that the niggas would come and. But I've got fans of all types, so the dance won't really literally get. If it mean getting back of reloads and hype in the crowd, then it will get. So pay me my money now, I want all of it, my G not off. Simmer that raid for that man's wifey by my side and a ting up. Man was billing her 15 times after the raid their phone got. She got a full ball at the 16th line, shoot that ting, everything get. Her man's a idiot, he gets smoke off. So many news man could've been a color.
State your name, cuz.
Stormzy and
What we doing today?
rapping, innit?
Yeah?
Fucking rapping.
Yeah? 5 in the pot. Let's go.
Look, don't try to say it's better than me. Tell my man shut up. Shut up. Mention my name in your tweets. I mean by shut up. Shut up. Be better than me. Shut up. Shut up. Tell my man shut up.
State your name, cuz.
Stormzy and
What we doing today?
rapping, innit?
Yeah?
Fucking rapping.
Yeah? 5 in the pot. Let's go.
Look, don't try to say it's better than me. Tell my man shut up. Shut up. Mention my name in your tweets. I mean by shut up. Shut up. Be better than me. Shut up.
This was the start. This was the start.